In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LucidSpark for my YouTube channel. We're going to use LucidSpark to plan a YouTube video visually so you can map out scenes, plan pacing, and keep your script organized. Think of this as turning your ideas into a clean storyboard you can follow when recording. Start by heading to lucid.app, and once you're logged in, land on the home dashboard. This is your starting hub, where you can open existing boards or create something new. For this walkthrough, we'll build a fresh storyboard specifically for a YouTube video. You could begin with a blank board, but to save time and get a ready-to-use structure, we'll use templates. Templates give you pre-made layouts so you can focus on content rather than formatting. Look for the template options and open the full gallery by selecting More Templates. This opens up a library of professionally designed boards for planning, brainstorming, and production. In the gallery, use the search bar and type Storyboard. You'll see variations designed for visual sequences and video planning. Pick the one that matches your style. Some emphasize frames and captions, others highlight scene goals or camera notes. Click Use to open your chosen template in your workspace. Now you're ready to make it yours. Treat each frame like a beat in your script or a single scene in your video. Start from left to right and rename each frame to match your outline. Hook, intro, value points, demo, call to action, and any transitions you need. If the template includes image placeholders, you can drop in reference screenshots or quick sketches to capture what viewers will see on screen. Use the text areas beneath each frame to write the key lines you'll say, along with notes like B-roll ideas, on-screen graphics, or sound cues. Keep the copy brief and punchy. Think headlines, not paragraphs, so it's easy to scan while recording. As you refine the storyboard, rearrange frames by dragging them to adjust the flow. Color code sections to separate segments, such as tutorial steps versus commentary. Add sticky notes for reminders like timing targets or show cursor here. If your video has repeating elements, duplicate a frame to keep formatting consistent. Consider adding short timing estimates under each scene to balance pacing across the whole video. Use comments to leave quick reminders to yourself about pickups or clarity checks. When you're done editing, you'll have a clear visual script that makes filming smoother and keeps your message focused. That's how to use LucidSpark to storyboard your YouTube content efficiently and confidently.